All right, check this car out. This is a 80,000 mile 2001 E55 with some tasteful mods on it. This car is really nice. The anodized trim is still pretty much completely black. This fake carbon trim is like perfect, not even a little faded. It's got the Gtechniq bird's eye maple door handles. Those have not been available in a very long time. Custom steering wheel, bird's eye maple shift knob, chrome trim, and overall this car is immaculate. The original headliner, not sagging. That rear deck, still pretty dark. And look at all that trim. That's what it looks like factory. They all turned to gold. And that's pretty rare too. That is a period correct plate frame. The logo is the same as the trunk badge. They change that later on, and most people don't have the correct one. It's got the right tires on it. Check it out. These are the Euro door lock pins. It's got the fire extinguisher. It's also got the updated mats. $84,000 miles. This thing is really mint. All right, we got the final pieces of the Alcantara back. So we'll see, the plastics are all painted now. This is the custom color we did to kind of match the anthracite Alcantara material. So I have them all wrapped up here, all resting on top of the 210. This car's kind of being used as storage right now, which is a shame. But we should have this on this week, so that'll be a very long video in the making. But today, I got the 124 to the local Cars and Coffee. It is kind of like a convertible feature day, and we're very late, so let's go. So yesterday we got to work on some 210s. I worked on Mark's Designo Silver Edition E55, so we just did some basic stuff like filters and oil changes. That car's really nice. It's got low miles. And Ernesto let me drive his very clean, brilliant silver E55 with some tasteful upgrades. Thank you to Mark and Ernesto for letting me drive their cars. That was a real pleasure. You know, I haven't been driving my 210 a lot this past year, so I've kind of forgotten what it's like to drive that car. And I do love my 124, but the 210 just drives so much better in every way. It's just more capable. But that's not to say that the 124 drives bad. It's just, it's an older car, so it drives like an older car. We are extremely late, so I already see people leaving, but let's see what we got. Alright, and now we're out. So that was a pretty decent showing despite how late I was. My favorite car is probably the SLR. I think I actually prefer the SLR over the SLS just because of the 113 connection to it. I mean, it's not a full Mercedes like the SLS is, which is fully developed with AMG, but I think design-wise, I like it more. Now we're cruising with the top down, right by the beach. Perfect for a 124 during summertime.